Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 24. This is Section 3.3, Problem 24. It says, a shopper spends $68.34 at a local store. If this shopper pays with 4 $20 bills, how much change will the cashier give them? So, first of all, 4 $20 bills, that would be $80. 4 $20 bills is $80. And you want to subtract the amount spent on the shopping, 68.34. And again, that'll be a subtraction. You're giving 80, you spend 68.34, what you get back is the change. Now, when you write the subtraction, you want to write it so that your decimal lines up. So that 80, I want to write as 80.00. In other words, $80.00. And again, 80 because that's the value of 4 $20 bills that the shopper pays with. And I will subtract the amount for the shopping, 68.34. Now, to do that subtraction, I start off with 0 minus 4. Now, 0 is not big enough to subtract 4. So I'll have to borrow, but the next digit over is also a 0. I can't borrow from that. So is the next one to the left is 0. I can't borrow from that. So I have to go all the way to the 8, borrow from that 8, make it a 7. Then the 0 that's 1 to the right can be written as a 10. I immediately borrow from it, reducing it to a 9. The next 0 becomes a 10. I borrow from that, make that a 9. And finally, the rightmost digit can be written as a 10. Now I do 10 minus 4. That I can do. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then next I'll have 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is also 6. Then my decimal that I wrote comes straight down. Then I have 9 minus 8 is 1. And the last column of digits, 7 minus 6 is also 1. So the answer is 11.66. Now again, this is a word problem. It does have some units of measure. It's in terms of money. So my answer should have the correct units of measure, in this case money, dollars. So the answer is not just 11.66. It's really that the change for this shopper is $11.66.